axis, and my dad's back on site today, which means back to being able to do electrical stuff. While I was waiting for him this morning, River and I were working out by the well line. We're starting to throw debris, whatever kind of debris we can find around the road, our driveway I mean, on top of the well line, trying to insulate it, because I don't really have a lot of confidence that the site work people really buried it 4 feet deep. Some of the soil is kind of compressed, it's like, there's like a 6-inch depression. So we're just kind of trying to fill that in with whatever we can. But then my dad showed up, and it's all about electrical today. You can see we're back by the electrical box here, and this is where all the wires come down to. We talked to the electrician who we are working with, and what he's going to be doing is doing all the wiring inside the boxes and bringing all the wires together in here. And what he asked us to do is to bring all the wires down from the top and have them hang about 1 foot below where the electrical box is. And that's what we're doing right now. We're trying to do a nice, neat job. You can see everything coming along here, all nice and parallel. The staples are even all lined up, making nice, graceful curves down. And the hope is that, just, what is our hope with all this neatness?
I don't know.
I'm hoping it'll rub off, like inspire the electrician
okay, all right.
to like.
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening to what you were saying.
Yeah, neither were they, probably.
Okay.
He'll see all this lovely work coming down here, and then be inspired to maybe make his work equally lovely. Just because, just because. That's as far as we're taking it. So we're just finishing up today. We got a decent amount done. Wires are really starting to fly everywhere. Percentage-wise, where do you think we are? Because this is all in your head.
70%.
Really?
60%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 60, 70.
The number in my head was 25.
Oh, no, I don't know.
Yeah.
But we've been working on the hard stuff.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right. 70%.
Yeah.
So like one more day, we're done. That's it. Thanks for watching.